In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Constant Contact to WordPress. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts by integrating these two powerful platforms, you've come to the right place. In just a few straightforward steps, you'll have your sign-up forms ready to go on your WordPress site, helping you effectively collect and manage contact information from your visitors. First, you need to get started by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Constant Contact in the search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the official Constant Contact website link to navigate to their homepage. This will be your gateway to managing all of your email marketing needs. Once you're on the Constant Contact homepage, locate the Login button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your account details. Make sure you have your username and password handy, as you'll need these to access your account. After entering your credentials, click the Login button and you'll be directed to your Constant Contact dashboard. With your dashboard open, go ahead and find the Sign Up Forms tab. This is where you will create and manage the forms that will allow your visitors to subscribe to your mailing list directly from your WordPress site. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Sign Up Forms section, look for the set of three dots, often referred to as the Options menu. Click on these dots to reveal additional menu items. Among them, you will find the Share option. Go ahead and click on Share, which will direct you to the sharing options for your sign-up forms. In these sharing options, there will be a button labeled Copy Link. Clicking on it will generate a link to your sign-up form that you can use in various ways. After clicking Copy Link, a small icon typically resembling two overlapping squares will appear. This is your copy icon. Click it, and this will copy the link to your clipboard. Having successfully copied the link, click on the Done button. This will confirm that you have completed the preparation of your sign-up form link and take you back to the Forms section, ready to move on to the final phase. You're now ready to head to your WordPress website. In whatever area of your site you wish to include your Constant Contact form, simply paste the link that you've copied from Constant Contact. This can be embedded in a page, post, or widget depending on where it's most strategic for your marketing goals, and that's all there is to it. You've connected Constant Contact to your WordPress site. This setup will allow visitors to sign up and be seamlessly added to your contacts list, enabling you to keep everyone updated with your latest newsletters and announcements. Thank you for watching, and have a great day integrating your marketing efforts.